Let's take a look at the BRAUN All-in-One Series 5 11-in-1 grooming kit. With this, you can quickly and easily style and trim both your beard hair and your head hair with one device, so you can get an entire grooming session done at once. The ultra-sharp blade gives you a smooth and consistent shave, even in trickier spots like under your nose and behind your ears, so you can get a precise and efficient trim without the hassle of having to go over the same spot over and over again. It also has 14 length settings with combs ranging from 3 to 21 millimeters, so you can get the exact style you want, just like you would at the barber's. If you've got sensitive skin, you won't have to worry, as this has Skin Shield technology. This keeps your skin safe while also giving you a close, clean shave. This means you won't get any nasty nicks or irritation, even in those awkward areas. Something really handy about this is that it's 100% waterproof, so you can use it with foam or gel, or even use it in the shower for a gentle and time-saving shave. This also means it's easy to clean, as you can just rinse it under the tap when you're done. And it's got a 2-hour runtime, so you can get a full groom done without worrying it's going to die on you.